This video is brought to you by Squarespace. Hey guys, so that was my drawing of Izuku Midoriya using cheap alcohol markers, Touchsoft markers, which I used to use a lot in my earlier videos when I did not have Copic. So I used them after a long time and still had so much fun using them like I used to. And I am so happy with the drawing. There are so many different colors in this character. Also, I am really happy with the background. I chose turquoise, greenish and bluish colors to suit our character. I had a lot of fun making this. I hope you enjoyed this video too. If you did, then don't forget to drop a like and share your views down below in comment section. Also subscribe if you haven't already for more awesome drawings like these, more art challenges and more art related videos in future. But before we end today's video, I want to thank Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Squarespace is an all-in-one online platform to build your own beautiful website. If you're an artist or a designer who wants to start their business online, then you can use Squarespace to build your own website or an online store to sell your products or run your business. It's really easy to start your own website with Squarespace, as they have a very simplified way to start and build your own website. They have so many beautiful templates and designs which will decide the whole look of your website, and each template has been designed by their world-class design teams. You can easily switch between multiple templates on a single website and work at multiple designs at once. You can start your free trial today at squarespace.com by clicking the link in the description box to save 10% off on your first purchase, or you can use my coupon code AYUSHPencilArt to get 10% discount on your first purchase. And that is all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to drop a like and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.